Today, I will show you the installation process of the NFK seal kit. Now the master disassembles the NFK sealing kit on site and installs it in the cylinder. Each repair master's installation method will be different. Pay attention to the oil seal during installation. 1. The direction of oil seal installation. 2. Whether the oil cylinder is clean. There should be no residual oilings. 3. Installation method. Try not to damage the oil seal and oil cylinder. After the oil seal of the cylinder is installed, install the cylinder to the rod. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if seal kits are required. Looking forward to your message.